nag-enjoy ka or mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw. And I love you so much and miss na kita. I hope to see you soon. Love you, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! We love you and we miss you. Enjoy your day!
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. And I miss you so much. I love you.
Hi, Mamu! Wishing you a day filled with love and joy and all the things that you deserve. Happy birthday and I love you so much!
Happy birthday, Mamu!
Happy 90 and blessed birthday to Mamu. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ng magandang buhay, mahabang buhay at better health, Mami. At lagi lang po kayong magtiwala kay Jesus, kay Lord sa ating buhay. Sige, Mami. Happy birthday po ulit.
Love you!
Love you too.
Bye!
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ma. And you may have many more birthday to come. And happy birthday. Sayang, wala ako dyan eh. Happy birthday and I love you.